The real estate market has heated up, and certain markets are seeing multiple offer situations where there is low inventory. Hi, this is Suma Sridhar, real estate broker in the Bay Area, serving buyers and sellers. As a home buyer, putting an offer on a property that has multiple offers can be very daunting and frustrating. But it doesn't have to be if you have the right real estate professional working on your behalf to make your offer more attractive and increase the chances of being accepted. As a buyer, there are several things you can do to make your offer more attractive and increase the chances of being accepted. Here are few suggestions. Offer a competitive price. One of the most effective ways to make your offer stand out is to offer a competitive price. This does not necessarily mean you have to offer the highest price, but it should be fair priced on the current market conditions in the area. Also, be flexible with the closing date. Sometimes sellers need more time to move or have to close quickly. Offering a flexible closing date can be a big incentive for getting an offer acceptance. Offering free rent back to the seller can be very enticing if they need more time to close. You can even offer a large earnest money deposit. This shows the seller you are a serious buyer and shows commitment to the sale. Or maybe limit your contingencies. If at all possible, limit as many contingencies as you can to make your offer more appealing to the seller. This may mean waiving the appraisal or inspection contingencies depending on the property. Finally, be pre-approved by your lender. Being pre-approved for a mortgage shows a seller you have the financial means to make the purchase and have taken the steps to secure financing. Also, being able to show strong proof of funds will show the seller you are in a good financial position to make the purchase. Bottom line, it is always best to work with an experienced real estate broker or realtor and a lender who can show you the different strategies to help to make your dream a reality. Reach out to my team and me so we can help you to strategize your next move. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, real estate broker from the Bay Area with the tradition of excellence and integrity. When you do what you love and people love what you do. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.